Hiya guys! Today is baking day. I'm baking my cookies. Hulaan nyo nga ito, my friends, kung anong klaseng cookies ito. These are Italian cookies. Pero meron siyang pangalan. Nakikita niyo ito sa mga pastry or sa tindahan. Minsan may mga iba-ibang flavor. Iba-ibang flavor. Pero this one I'm making is only one flavor, vanilla. Vanilla and butter. So very light siya, very light, hindi matamis. Tsaka battery. I usually make this every year, yearly. Kasi parang Pasko is Christmas cookies. Ang sarap. Crunchy. Parang ano siya, waffles. Pero, may pangalan. I love making these cookies, you guys. At ang machine na ito, you can buy it from Amazon. Or, I don't know kung anong store. But, I bought mine from Amazon. And, may machine na anim ang magagawa. May machine na 4. Pero itong akin is 2 lang. It's the medium size. Pero may mas malaki siya. May mas malaki. And yung 6 na cookies machine is maliit. Mas maliliit ang magagawa ang mga cookies. Pero the one I got right now is two medium cookies. So, isang salangan, 2 cookies. Pero napakadali. Very fast because it's only 30 seconds or a little bit more. And two cookies in one salangan. So, I always enjoy making these cookies, you guys. Every year. Used to be every year. Ang sarap. It's one of our favorites. So, yung dough, ginawa ko na ahead of time, a day before the baking. Kahapon ako naggawa ng dough. So, at saka, kasi, mas matrabaho yung paggawa ng dough. It's take too much time and a longer process yung paggawa ng dough. Kasi, yung mga butter, mga, so, anyways, I'm just sharing you these cookies that I'm making. See, napakadali. See how much I already baked? Mga siguro ito mga 1 oras at kalahati. Ang dali lang. At pagka natuyo na siya, ang ginagawa ko, tinitrim ko, tinatanggal ko yung mga edges para pare-pareho siya. Pare-pareho ang laki. Thank you for watching.